Wala na akong dahilan para mabuhay. Hanggang nakatulog ako, tas gumising ako kinabukasan. Sabi ko, bakit buhay pa ako? Sabi ko, siguro may purpose si Lord, may dahilan. Hindi naman ako pinadadala ng pera ng ex ko noon. Buti na lang, tumawag yung GMA, they offered me Pinoy Meets World. So somehow I was able to sustain myself. But the depression was so bad, my mom noticed it. She brought me to a psychiatrist and I was diagnosed bipolar. And the fear of failure was so debilitating. It seemed like I was on up and up this ladder of success because I was reaching my dreams one by one. But when I got to the top of the ladder, it seemed like it was leaning on the wrong wall. So I fell on that wall, na-depress ako, tapos hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. Kasi pag nag-dream ako, baka mag-fail na naman ako. Yun ang takot ko.
But how did you recover from feeling, betrayed, worthless because of what your ex-husband did na ganun-ganun lang? How did you recover from that? Even with how you saw yourself?
In that relationship, I really felt rejected. I felt worthless. Everything I thought that I was, yung Miriam Kiambao na ina-admire ng mga tao, parang nawala yung, teka, maganda ako, di ba? Bakit hindi in love sa akin yung asawa ko? I wanted to stay because I was committed to my vows, pero ayaw na niya ako.